Hello? Yo, what up? What it do, man? Yeah. Nah, I'm just sitting sitting out one with nature. Getting a little clear in my head. Yeah. You ready for sound check? Okay. Alright, I'll be in. Yeah. Hey man, I'm coming. Chill out. Shit. I'll be there. Alright, bud. Whew. Getting too old for this. Here we go. I be feeling good when I'm zoning to my stereo. I shouldn't be rapping cause I'm too damn old. But I don't even care cause I'm OldHead for sure.
That WillyumATL be right there.
Still doing my thing, still playing in the dirt. I don't know how long I got left on this earth. Still holding it down, still putting in work. Ask me how it feels to get old, man, it hurts. Still pushing through, it's all a pepper flame. Over half a century full of game. Still riding this thing called life thus far. But I'm too old to teach ya if you call me bro.